Hello, I'm Andrew and I'm going to show you how to create a natural summer glow with Ted. So first up, I'm going to use a really lovely warm bronze eyeshadow shade from the Multifaceted palette and just sweep that over the eye to give us a lovely golden glow on the eyelid. I'm using the big brush just to give us a nice blown out coverage. There's no hard lines to it. Next, I'm going to add some bronzer to the cheeks using Sunset powder, and the big brush just swept over the apple of the cheek, and then I'm going to use the curve of that brush just to almost contour under the ledge of the cheekbone. I'm going to add to the lips this really lovely glowing coral tone. This is a satin lipstick called Lobster, and I'm just going to literally push it onto the lips so it's almost like a stain. And to finish the look, I'm now going to add Ted's Glow highlighter powder just on the tops of the cheekbones and over the body for a really summery glow. So that's your natural summer glow with Ted.